Hi, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef David and Buster. Today we're gonna make... Buster's playing with his bone. I swear this dog knows every time I'm starting to film. He starts playing with his toys and bone. It's crazy. Really? The whole time you didn't make any noise, and I turned the camera on. This dog killing me, Smalls. Anyway, today we're gonna make shrimp ceviche, and we're gonna start out by making the pico de gallo. I always make a pico and then just add in shrimp and add the flavors. Yeah, let's get started. Now I'm going to be making a lot of pico because I'm going to make two things with it. I'm going to make a shrimp ceviche, and I'm going to make fresh guacamole for my wife. Okay, there's the tomato. Alright, now we're going to do the cilantro. Just want to keep rotating, recutting till you get it to where you want. That's about where I want it. Got 6 limes here. Now we do garlic powder, pepper, salt. I always used to make this at work. One of my employees always used to tell me, needs more cilantro, needs more lime juice. And he was right. Take a taste. Need more garlic powder. Alright, now we're going to start. We have 4 nice large jalapenos. Depends on how hot you want it. If you don't want it so hot, you can clean out the seeds and just cut the pepper. But we kind of like the heat, so. I'm going to hold off on the 4th pepper. We'll cut this up first. You notice there's a lot of juice in there. That's because I'm using this for 2 recipes. I'm using one for shrimp ceviche, and I'm using the other one for guacamole. Taste test again. Definitely enough heat in there. More garlic. More pepper, more salt. Alright, perfect. That's about all we need. I split that in half. Kind of par blanched my shrimp already with a citrus bouillon. In a small pot I squeeze 2 oranges, 2 lemons, and 2 limes. I throw some lemon and some lime rinds in with it when I'm poaching it. Wife wants this now, so this is how we're doing it. Anyway, had to take the tails off the shrimp. This is all shrimp we're going to use. Now we're going to cut it up. This is 1 pound of shrimp. Now the pico that we made, you can substitute the tomatoes for mangoes. So you can put mango in instead of the tomato. You can do watermelon. And there you go. Now we're going to put shrimp into the mix. All right, now we're going to stir it around. Alright, now we're going to let this sit for a couple hours so it gets all soaked in, and then I'll show you how we plate it. Alright, my fryer's up to temp. Now we're going to attempt to make little bowls out of corn tortillas. We'll try this. See if we can get it out. I got my fryer set at 350 degrees. That's it, you're just having fun. Just trying to make a couple bowls. Now we're going to fry up some fresh tortilla chips. You always want to agitate them and keep them moving so they fry all the way through and get nice and crispy. And try not to burn yourself or burn your house down. You can feel them now when you touch them. They're crispy. So we're going to take them out. Put them in a bowl. Throw a little salt on them. Toss them. Alright, so there's our two bowls. Now we're just going to take our ceviche. Anyway, there you have it. Fresh ceviche and fresh homemade chips. A nice, simple, easy, and fast recipe for shrimp ceviche. Like I said, it's a lot easier to make the nice looking bowls if the tortilla is a lot bigger. But I only have those small tortillas. But I think it came out alright. What up, bud? Did you like it? I liked it. As always, me and Buster thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Aloha.